And welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 22nd of August around 11:15 p.m. And here we go with today's video. Charts of the Day is a session within the website in which is done for followers and that visit the site on the daily basis. So you just go to ElliottWaveForecast.com, scroll down a little bit, and you're gonna see the charts of the day. And we pick an instrument, about the 78 instruments across the spectrum that we cover in Elliott Wave Forecast, and we do a video and we explain the Elliott Wave structure. So having said that, today we're gonna take a look at the pound dollar. This is the pound dollar on the daily chart from the peak that happens on June of 2021. So technically a 1 year old cycle. The decline, it looks impulsive with a tremendous separation here on the wave 3 of 3. And I believe at this moment we believe that we are entering the final stage due to the momentum divergency that usually happens within Elliott Wave in a wave 5. What is interesting is that the decline, it looks to be, like I say, resolving a nest. And in Elliott Wave, a nest is something like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you can see that from here you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3 different degrees. Then you got the degrees start matching into creating 5 waves. So you got, without parentheses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With parentheses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then with the cycle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically, that's how we see the pound on the daily decline. We are not showing the labels in this degree, but zooming in on the pound, we are labeling the bounce that it did from July 14. It was in 3 waves, and it reached the blue box area. The blue box is an area within that we apply to the market, and which we recommend members to enter and exit the market in those areas. And the pound comes with a tremendous decline of the blue box into new lows. And the pound again is nesting from the peak on August the 1st. It got 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 3 degrees, the red, the black, and the blue. So now I think that we are ending the red, the blue 3. That if we zoom in to the 1 hour here, we can see for the secondary, for the 2 red, how we have 1 in black, 2 in black, 1 in black and blue, 2 in blue, 1 in red, 2 in blue and red. So now I think that the pound is ending this cycle from here. It should be bouncing and remain bouncing and selling in a series of 4 and 5. That it should take it to the inverse, at least to the inverse 1.236, 1.618 of the proposal wave 4 here, that it comes at 116, 114 area. So I expecting the pound to extend within this next lower in a series of 4 and 5, something in this nature, like this, right? We're expecting this to take place like this, until finally it found the target, right? And then a huge rally in the pound is gonna take place within the next few weeks, right? But for now, the pound should be trading lower. Tomorrow we can be expecting a wave 4 rally that should remain below these peaks areas over here. So more downside in the pound, looking for 116, 114. To finish a year-old cycle, but still a little more downside before the pound makes the biggest cycle bounce in the year, and the pound trade in a big 3 weeks area like this before more downside. So very technical. If you like the video, you can join us right here every single day. You can click on the home page of Elliott Wave Forecast here. Check on the right there on charts of the day. Also, we offer a 14-day trial for $9.99, and you can pick one of the 3 groups or 26 instruments. If you are a stocks trader, then you go and you take group 3, which is basically more about stocks. If you trade the main Forex pairs, is in group 1. If you trade commodities and a Nasdaq, Russell, and the ES, is in group 2. So take the trials. It doesn't cost that much, and you will learn how to trade in 2022. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you, guys.